SIMILARSIMIB videos. Lifetime views 20,248. Holy crapoly. Yay! What a way to start a Saturday morning. Good morning, guys. It's a beautiful day outside. Andrew and I like to go play disc golf. I'm getting the video up and trying to edit it, and I'm so excited that we hit lifetime views 20,248. As for just views on the channel, because lifetime views are different, we have 18,743. And we did lose a couple subscribers. But that's okay, because we're getting our views, we're getting our videos, our videos are getting at least 22 to 30 views and things, or higher, and we're getting lots of likes, so I'm really happy with how our channel is going. You guys, ducks! There's a baby! You should look at the baby!
Right there?
Yeah, that one too. What's it eating?
A piece of dirt. Some grass.
You think that's its mom?
Maybe.
Oh, you're so cute. Hi, meow duckies.
There's fish in there too, but you can't see them.
Hi, duckies.
The water's too murky.
There's only a couple babies. Ooh, really zoomed in. So we came to the library to look at ducks, take a walk, and to also see the air show. And hopefully there's no geese here, because the geese like to follow you around. Hi, duck! Quack, quack! Quack, quack! Look at all these ducks, you guys. They're so pretty.
Where'd they go?
I don't know, they just ditched us.
Oh, there they are.
Oh, look, they're sleeping! Hi, duckies! Hi! Alright, we're going through the death tunnel to look at some cool stuff from the air show today.
What was that?
Andrew's being sexist. He says that women can survive better in prison. That's sexist.
My aunt proved that yesterday.
You didn't tell them all that. They have no idea what you're talking about. Oh, there it is. Why did he parachute out of the plane?
Because why not?
Going down.
There's another one.
Where?
Right there following.
Mm-hmm. No, that's the same one.
So I guess they're...
Yeah, in a minute. We're watching part of the air show, and there's parachuters that are parachuting out of their thingies. It's an ice cream cone!
Is it, or is it a balloon?
No, it's an ice cream cone. family. Family. Hi, family. Hey.
That's the sound of them ripping our ozone layer apart. They break the speed of sound.
And at 3 o'clock they have the Blue Angels going on. You know it's the big ones when it makes that big of a sound and it's that far away. It's all the way over there. Oh, now it goes away right when I'm screaming super loud.
What?
Nothing. That was right close to us. You think it's gonna do that again? It was intense on my ears. Poor little plane just sitting up there like, what's happening?
Able to see them from here. I don't think we'll be able to. But I mean, in the camera, I don't know if we'll be able to see them. This is the only way in and out, right? You guys can't see them, but they're out there. Yep. They're back there past that tree right there. Oh, there's one. There they are. Right there. How you feeling, baby? Oh, well, that's super zoomed in on you. We'll go.
With that dad,
I don't know.
Hey guys, so it's 10 o'clock. I'm waiting for Joe to get back online so that I can start the movie. But he's out and about tonight, so it's only 10. So we usually start our movies at 11. So I probably got an hour. So I'm watching Scream 4, which I love that movie. It's really, really good. Most everybody didn't know who the killer was, but like halfway through the movie, I'm like, you know who I bet it is? And got it right, because I'm just like that, I guess. But I think I should write my own scary movie. I think if I wrote a scary movie, it would be really, really scary. I think it would be really good. I think it could have good graphics, and I also think that it could be a killer that you would never suspect, you know? I think it could be legendary, like a Chucky or stupid. Hold on, guys. Guess what? We have ants. They're in our dishwasher. They're on our tables. Anyways, I feel like I could be like really good at doing that and make a movie that would be really scary, scare people, and then they would love it and they would say, "That's my favorite movie." And I think they would never guess the killer when I did it. It's on right now. The end is a good part of this movie anyways. So that's what I'm watching, and then next I'm going to watch Toy Story 3, I think it is, on the TV. I think it's at 3. Then I'm going to go watch Addams Family, and then I'm going to go to bed. So tomorrow, the 19th, day 753, me and Andrew and my mom are going to go to Fred Meyer's. I need to pick up a couple things for my trip. I'm going to pick up a travel size photo album so that I can take some pictures along with me. I like to travel with pictures like of my loved ones. It might sound weird, but I do. And then I need to pick up travel size sanitizer, travel size hair stuff, and body wash and hair stuff. Who the f are you? Whoa. So I need to pick up some travel size stuff. I need to pick up some other things, and then I can start putting them on my list and my travel size thing. And then I'm also going to be looking for a couple of clothes items to wear to the reunion. I'm going to take my new pink skirt, so I'm going to try to do a little bit of that, because next week I'm not going to have time at all. I have a lot of videos to record, a lot of things to do, but I've been checking off my list so far. And I gotta spend as much time as I can with this little girl for the last week. And then we're going to weekend. Oh, for those of you asking about her eye is totally fine. She didn't bump into anything or like that. She has really, really bad allergies. When allergy season comes, she gets really, really bad allergies. So she has allergies. Don't ya? Look. Show them. Show the camera. No, wait. Ugh, stubborn cat. Okay, so let's look at your eye, baby. Look. There you go. So I know it looks super bad, but she just has really bad allergies that she gets during the summer and spring times. She has very bad allergies since she was a kitten. She used to have like boogers on her nose all the time. That's why my mom calls her booger nose. But that's all it is. It's not anything major. She didn't bump into anything and hurt her eye. It's just her allergies. She has allergies, so when the allergies affect her eyes, she will cry, you know, like her eyes will start to tear up. And the gunk and stuff from her eyes plus her fur just kind of mixes and makes and hardens on her fur under her eye. And we try to clean it off. Every time we see it, we get a washcloth, hot washcloth. I mean, not super hot, warm washcloth. I don't want anybody like saying, you know. We take a little warm washcloth and just wipe off her eye, and we give her her little medication. But she can only take half the medication. And it's of this thing. And I think it's these. Yeah. No. Maybe it's these. No, it's a cat one. Whoa. Hold on. It came in this thing. And we can only give her half of it because if we give her a full one, she's completely wiped out for the rest of the day. But no worries, she's fine. Aren't ya? Hey, that's not your water. Look. Dad got you your own water. Remember? You get your own glass. Night. it has come to that point in our house. Kiwi drinks out of our water glasses. I'm the one who let her start drinking out of my water glass, just because I didn't think it was that big of a deal. I'd have my water glass sitting here and be filled all the way to the top, and I'd be doing stuff on my computer, and she'd be sitting in my lap, and she didn't want to get up to come here to get a drink, so she would drink out of mine. And now it's become a thing where my dad gives her her very own glass of water and leaves it out, and that's Kiwi's glass of water. So that way at night she has some water, because she her allergies, water helps with her. Somebody might have to go back to the vet if her allergies don't get better. We might need to get you some new medication. She's like, no, don't take me back to the vet. But anyways, thank you guys all for your concerns about Kiwi. Kiwi thanks you too. She loves that she's loved. But her eye is completely fine. It's not anything major, just some little allergies. Anyways, we will see you guys tomorrow on another fantastic day, and next weekend is going to be a super fun weekend, so stay tuned for that. Let me just update you guys really quick, okay? This will be pretty good, I promise. So, let's look at the calendar here. I go to Iowa on the 24th. The video for the 24th is for Thursday, right? So, that'll be going up as normal. So, Thursday's video will go up Friday. Saturday's video will not... Saturday's video on the 25th will be a special video. You'll have to stay tuned to see, but it'll be a special challenge video, and that will go up as the vlog for that day. Then the 26th, another special video will be going up for that day. And we'll actually, on the Sunday one, we'll be doing we'll actually be doing a couple different challenges all in one video as the vlog. Then on the Monday that we come back, the 27th, and the 28th, Monday and Tuesday, will be a 2-part special on my trip to my family reunion and what Andrew does here with the cats. So it'll be a special 2-part video on Monday and Tuesday. The first part will go up on Monday and the second part on Tuesday of our little vacation family reunion trip, including some pictures. And it'll probably be long because I'm not 100% sure on how much footage I'll be getting. So it could be super long. So if it's super uber long, it might be a 3-day special. But right now I'm saying 2-day special because I don't know how much footage necessarily I'm gonna get. But that's what's gonna be happening. So you'll get one special challenge video going up on Saturday, and that will be a video of my doing, and then the video on Sunday will be 2 challenge videos in one video of me and Andrew doing a couple different challenges, and you'll just have to wait and see. But we have 2 special videos going up that day, and then we're gonna do just a cute clip at the end of Kiwi and Jack, and then we'll do the 2-part special, and then after that we'll be back to our normal vlogs. So that's what's gonna happen. Don't freak out when a challenge video goes up and a vlog doesn't, because I'm making the vlog for that day the video that's gonna go up. It will have the date and it will have a title, but it will be just like a challenge video type of thing. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you guys tomorrow.